To create awareness about COVID-19 and to advise all our students to take precautions, our faculty members suggested the theme Personal and Social Responsibility during the pandemic period. Detailed instructions on poster making were given to the students in advance. 58 faculty members are taking 112 batches of Ethics and Values in this semester. We asked 5,971 students to draw poster on creating awareness about COVID-19. Each faculty member recommended 3 posters from their classes, totaling 350 posters. We requested a group of student counselors from counseling department to judge and choose the top 35 from 350 posters. This jury consisted of 12 members. The jury selected the posters based on a set of criteria. The jury also selected the winners of first 3 positions from the 35 posters.
I'm glad and delighted to express that School of Social Science, VIT Vellore, have taken the initiative to organize virtual poster exhibition for ethics and values on personal and social responsibility during pandemic. I thank the department dean and HOD for giving an opportunity to counseling team to judge the posters which have been sent by our students with their creative ideas. 5,971 posters were received in total from the students. Counseling team has selected 35 posters and the best 3 posters as first, second and third. The posters were selected on the criteria based on the relevance to theme, originality, craftsmanship or creativity and visual impact of the students. The selection of posters were quite difficult for us to judge since we felt all the posters were beautifully expressed about the safety and protection that people have to take care in order to overcome their fear from the disease and lead a healthy life in future. The awareness of the safety of the disease is very important, which is very well taken care by our present generation who are going to play a major role in the society.
All the students who participated in the event will receive certificates. We appreciate all our students for their wonderful work.